from what was thrown away. Just a simple Filipino rises after every storm. Inspired by Typhoon Tino, it turns the remnant of a hardship into a gentle glow of hope. As Filipino Star of Christmas, the parole calls families home. Guide those far away, comforting those who miss someone, and reminding every household that joy will always return. It carries the spirit of our Pasko, children singing carols, neighbors sharing bibingka and puto bongo, and families gathering under warm lights. Made from humble recycled pieces, this parole becomes more than a lantern.